Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining your thesis and essential constraints. You need a clear prompt, length, audience, and deadline. Next, choose one reliable AI model and set the tone, formal or persuasive, so outputs match your voice. Provide 3-5 key sources, highlight quotes or data, and upload or paste them. Once done, craft a precise instruction. State purpose, structure, and required citations. This first step saves revision time. It guides the AI to generate relevant, focused paragraphs rather than vague drafts. Now you move into drafting. Ask the AI for an outline with 3-5 sections and strong topic sentences, then generate each body paragraph one at a time. That reduces hallucinations. Request explicit evidence and inline citations for each paragraph, and make the model quote or paraphrase your provided sources. Once a section is ready, prompt the AI to improve transitions and vary sentence length for flow. If a paragraph feels off, revise the prompt, specify wording constraints, and regenerate only that paragraph. Finish by combining sections, then craft an introduction and conclusion that echo your thesis. Make sure every paragraph supports that central claim. Once merged, run grammar and plagiarism checks and verify each citation against the original source for accuracy. If the AI invented facts or misquoted, isolate the problematic text and prompt for correction with explicit source excerpts. If corrections fail, rewrite that paragraph manually and reinsert. Finally, read aloud to catch tone and pacing. Make micro-edits until the essay sounds cohesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.